Wagwan my peeps, welcome back to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I am Ricardo, and as you can see from the thumbnail, today's episode is going to be about sign and symbolism, because in the direction we are headed, I have to lay the foundation so you know what to look for. And make no mistake, the people in charge and the people in control know the importance and the meaning of the sign and symbols they bombard you with. And my aim today is to reveal some of the secrets to you. And also, based on how I am new to the platform and everything is new to me, I am learning as I go along. But I can confirm from now on, we will be uploading a video every Monday and Friday at 9:30 a.m. So that's the update for now. Alright, and thank you to my couple subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Enough said. Let's get into it. Signs and symbols. What are signs and symbols? Let's have a look. Look at your screen for a moment and let's read what it says. As you can see, I brought up two because information and we want to know what I want. So we have the time to read it and hear what it says. Alright, the one at the top, it says, a symbol is a mark, sign, or word that indicates, signifies, or is understood as representing an idea, object, or relationship. Symbols take the form of words, sound, gestures, ideas, or visual images, and are used to convey other ideas and beliefs. And the second one says, and what's the heading? What is sign and symbols in communication? There are two major categories of signals people send, signs and symbols. Signs are the foundation of all communication. A sign designates something other than itself, and meaning is the link between the object or idea and a sign. You hear that? It says, signs are the foundation of all communication. Signs are the foundation of all communication. Just like how them say speculation is the mother of all investigation. You get it? Sign and symbols go together because the English language is very funny, you know. And we do a future video about that, but the English language is very funny because you have certain words that just go together like all. For example, king and kingdom. Kings and kingdom have to go together because you can't have a kingdom without a king, and you can't have a king without a kingdom. So, you understand? Them go together. And notice them mostly just say symbol because you see the symbol, it's strong. It is a representative of object or other things. Okay, so we get that out of the way. So, here are some examples of symbols. Alright, you know the regular, you have the cross for church. And you know, say, cross represent God, represent angels, you know, churches, and them kind of thing there. And when you go to a store, for most store, where you go, you know, you have push and pull on the door. That is also another example of the sign. And when you go in at these stores or restaurant and you want to use the bathroom, when you go to the bathroom, you know, say you have sign where show you male and female, because you don't know, you know. No matter how soft you see woman is, I can assure you, if a woman push a female bathroom and see a man stand up in there, I can assure you a beating or go on. You understand? So, I can't help you them time there. So, yeah, man, signs are very, very important. You know? So everybody knows what the cross and so stand for, as we just say, the church race. So we can move on. But do you know about the five-pointed star? Do you know about this star? Look on the star. Look at it for a second. You don't see anything out of the way with it. It just look normal, don't it? Alright. Look on it that way. How it look to you now? It don't look so pleasant and thing like a normal star. Because just like what we did do in the independence video. I follow the star, You see me? Follow the star. And when we follow the star, look on that image. You see the star? You see me? You see the star? Star upon the Baphomet head. Right in the middle I'm fired. You understand? And notice him position how him hold him hand. Because them think they're going to come up further on. You understand? Notice now the position how him hold him hand. And notice is a male figure. And him have breasts. You know what that signify? That signify the transgenders. So the people them will worship this God, they have to be like their God. So you have man where transgender to woman, and you have woman where transgender to man. But as we say, them they are further on. You understand? So we have followed the star. So we could look upon the goated star. You understand? We look upon the goated symbol. You understand? So take another look for your screen. Because the goated symbol is a very pivotal symbol. Because almost every top movie star, every top musical artist, once them reach a certain level in them fame, you see them start flash certain symbols every time the camera come around. But as I always say, we're going to reveal that shortly. So take a look on the goated sign. You understand? Because we're going to link it up to some things. So take a look on it. And take a look on the so-called peace sign also. You understand? You notice it have two finger up, like two hand. You understand? So, because them things they signify something. Because remember, we just look on the Baphomet. And him have a goated with, and him have two hands. You understand? So, I'm going to flash some image now across the screen. Because this side section, where it get crazy. Look at your screen. Who's that? The Pope. Yeah, man. See Pope a flash up in my allegiance. See him a show you who him a work with. You understand? Who next? The first black president. Yeah, man. Great Obama. Yo, this is one of the only president where I think the whole world did a vote for him. Yeah, man. But as I say, they all have to show them allegiance. Yeah, man. So, see him throw it up there. And then, this side part where it get crazy. Because this is the surprise of the bunch. Look on the unruly sign. See that? Now the goated sign that. The goated sign right in front of your face. A lot of people never recognize it neither. You see me? Enough people never recognize it, and they're right in front of our face. And you have people that throw up them sign like a good thing. You see me? But as I'm saying, just there for sure say it is not. And now we look on the so-called peace sign now. You see me? Because they don't know. We have followed the trail. Whoop! Be one of the great Michael Jackson. Everybody love this man. Yeah, man. Great Michael Jackson. Everybody love this man. But see, I show you where my allegiance lie there again. Yeah, man. Big those finger. Yeah, man. And we have another man that come up to where everybody love. So kind of cause some surprise, but you don't know. We have to drop it like it's hot. You see me? Who that? Now the great bro God. Yeah, man. Now the great bro God. Great bro God. I show you where the allegiance lie. You understand? Because it's a strategy where them I use over the years, you know. And the strategy is called hidden in plain sight. Yeah, man. So them already know you not gonna look on that. Them know you gotta pay attention for other things. You know, them know you look on everything else in the picture. Yeah? And me I gonna show you again. Because me I gonna show you why them so confident, why them know you not gonna look on them thing there. The other day when the election called, right? The other day when the election called, where everybody did a look on. When the man Clarks, man. You see how low them have you? You see how low we reach? We are look on the man foot. Yeah, man, we left from the head, the shoulder, the hand, we reach at the man foot. That is how low we're going, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so you don't know. We'll make a quick overview, you know, because remember we read about the signs and symbols and show you say two words will really go together, and we gave an example like with king and kingdom, because you can't have a king without a kingdom, and you can't have a kingdom without a king, so you can't have a sign without a symbol, and you can't have a symbol without a sign. And all of these have meaning as we try to find out. You understand? And then me show you the different signs, the church with the cross, and how you go in a restaurant and them kind of thing there. You will see the push pull and you use the restroom, and then me show you say the star. You know, because people underestimate the star there. You know? You understand? And me I go leave one key connection with the star there before me go. You understand? Because as I say, nothing where you see a happen, happen by coincidence. It happen because it's supposed to happen. So that means if a man have a sign on him thing and it a show certain thing, that means I must know the reason why I put it there. You understand? And you see the goated star, which company out here have the goated star there in a them logo? I'll give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. You guess it? Did you guess it? Alright. What this look like to you? Yeah, man, the Great Texaco. You never know that. See it there? The big goat star. So you see, say, these people know the meanings of the signs of them are bombarded with, and there is a host of them. But as I said, this is just a starting. Because you have different levels of it, you know. You have the goated, what me just show you, and the Baphomet. Them that responsible for one level, which is music, entertainment, and them kind of thing there. You see the one where you see Jay-Z them put up with them like them whole of pyramid, and them that are the high level. That are the highest level. So them one a little level. So we have to look on it by level. So we start off with the basic levels and the basic stuff. So I hope this video inform you, and I really do hope you learn something. And as I say, don't take my word for it. Alright, do your own research so you can pick out certain points. You can watch back the video, you can freeze it, you know, you can type in and the same Google me use, you know, and type in and read up and check on certain things. When we get into it, me start leave the links to certain videos also, because I want you guys to can get the proper source. So as I say, we're new to the platform and we are learning. This has been The Lone Soldier. I am Ricardo.